The most powerful piece of cooking equipment in your kitchen is also the most underutilized, and there's a 95% chance that you have one. It's the broiler. Hi, I'm Mark Bierke, and welcome to Tabula, where you can find simple lessons for the home cook. Now the broiler is kind of mysterious, like what's up with the low, high settings? Sometimes there's a number where you're setting it to a temperature. How do you put the rack in the oven? Is it high, medium, low? And then what do you generally do with it? Is there like more ways that I can use it? I'll show you everything that you need to know right now. So the first step is just to set your broiler to high, always. If you have a low or a high option, just set it to high. Mine has just one function here, it just says BR for broil. So I'm gonna turn that on and let it heat up. Give it a good 5 to 10 minutes to really get ripping hot, because that's the whole point of what we're doing here. We want the food to just be cooking super, super quickly and really, really aggressively. Next, set your rack as high as it can possibly go. Mine's on the top position here, and I want the food as close to the element as possible. We're treating the broiler like an upside down barbecue, and it's actually the radiant heat waves that come directly out of the broiler and vibrate the molecules on the surface of the food. That's what does the cooking. And this brings us to step 3. We can actually leave the oven door open. This is pretty surprising. It's not the hot air circulating around inside the oven that's cooking when you're using the broiler. Like I said, it's the radiant heat waves that come directly off of the broiler and vibrate the surface of the food. Here I have some broccolini on a sheet tray that I've just tossed with some olive oil and salt, and I've lined the sheet tray with foil so that my cleanup is super easy. Please don't use parchment, because parchment will actually burst into flames in the oven because it's flammable. So use foil, because that will not catch on fire. This is one of my favorite dishes, and I love to just throw it under here and let it just really blast and get that stuff really charred, almost as if I was using the barbecue. Another reason that we use the broiler with the door open is because things can change super quickly. It's such an intense heat that it can burn stuff very quickly. I want this broccoli to be charred, but if you're not wanting to do that on something else like some bread or something, do not walk away from the oven. Just stay right here with it. And giving specific cooking times for broilers is very silly, because way, way, way more so than your oven, every single broiler varies significantly. Keep an eye out and just look at the food that you're cooking. Don't rely on somebody else to tell you the time. Just look at it and say, is that how I want it to be? I'm gonna say that's pretty darn good. I might throw it in for one more minute, but that's it. So today's simple tip is to use your broiler way more often, and now you know how to do it like a pro.